Hey guys, a friend of mine just got a package from a place called Bass Brothers. It's a subwoofer and 1 or 2 pair of headphones. There, he's pretty shy. I'm gonna get the plug. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna unbox the package. So yeah, let's get to it. So as you see, it's a Ground Zero subwoofer. Hopefully the other stuff is in there too. I'm gonna do the unboxing on the subwoofer too. There's the subwoofer. It's over. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the package. So yeah, I don't know what else to put on, so this is just a bit of a vlog. Okay guys, so I'm planning on putting out a gaming video this weekend, and what do you guys want me to play? For Xbox 360, I've got Lord of the Rings, The Battle of Middle-earth 2, Far Cry 2, Far Cry 3. I'm actually done with Far Cry 3, so I don't want to start it again. Far Cry 4, Need for Speed The Run, Battlefield, Gears of War 2 and 3, and GTA 5. I've got Army of 2 and Blur. Blazing Angels doesn't work, and I have Bioshock Infinite. Modern Warfare 3, as I played last time. I haven't put it back here. I got Hunted, I got Skyrim, I got Battlefield Bad Company, Gran Turismo 5 and 6, Need for Speed The Run here as well, Grand Theft Auto 5, Aliens vs Predators, Dirt 3, Motorstorm. I know that's a very old game, but it's still awesome. I got Need for Speed Most Wanted, and Far Cry 4 is for PS4, so I don't know why I have it. On Xbox I don't have a Xbox Live account. If I'm playing Xbox, it's not going to be online. But if I'm playing PS3, it's going to be online. Leave a comment down below which game you want me to play. Love to see you in some of the videos. Peace.